Hi, this is Russ Ward from Pixels and Pills at the E-Pharma Summit in Philadelphia, and I have Kristin Paulick with me from IIR. And Kristin, how's the conference been? You're the part of the organising body here.
Right.
How's it been?
It's been going really well. We're in our last day now on Wednesday, and obviously because of the weather we've had to revise our agenda a little bit today, but we're still trying to pack in as much content as we possibly can, and the feedback has been really good, so we're excited.
That's terrific. And so you were able to devise the agenda for the meeting, and how do you think the public and the attendees have felt about the content of the meeting so far?
From what I've heard, I think everyone's really liking it. Something new that we tried this year was dividing the audience by professional and consumer on Tuesday, and I think that was nice to really break everyone up and kind of hone in on their specific interest areas, and that's something that we haven't really done too much in the past. So I think that was a nice way to work it this year. And also we had some roundtables, which I think were a nice way for people to talk with their peers and focus in specifically on professional or consumer marketing.
And with the success of these sessions, do you think you'll have these type of sessions ongoing in the next meeting?
I think so. I think we're going to, maybe try some new formats next year. We had Skype for the first time this year, which was something new, and I think that went pretty well. So, experimenting with new formats and new technology. We incorporated a polling kind of ARS system this year that I think was well received. So, just trying some new techniques for 2011 as well.
So, can you tell me a little bit about what's happening in 2011 for the next meeting?
Well, I haven't started my research yet officially for next year. We're still looking at February, kind of debating on a couple of different venues just based on interest. We actually did an audience poll using our Vision Tree technology, and New York won out. So that would be very convenient for me since that's where our offices are. But yeah, we're deciding between New York, Philadelphia, and maybe Atlantic City. So stay tuned.
Okay, and you'll decide what subjects you'll try and have for the agenda next year based on the feedback from this year and current research that you'll do in the next 6 months.
Exactly. Right. So it's usually a mix of, social media topics and then more of the traditional e-marketing, so emails and search engine marketing, and it's just really what, based on what our market research tells us and what people are really looking for in the coming year. So.
Well, we'd all like to thank IIR for your efforts in running this show in this last few days, and we wish you and everyone else a safe trip home. Have you got any closing comments before we go?
I think that's it. I'd just like to thank everyone that was involved in the event this year. This was my first time running E-Pharma, and it's our 9th year and one of our most successful events, attendance-wise, and so I'm just very pleased, and I thank you very much.
Very good. Kristin, thank you very much. This is Russ Ward reporting for Pixels and Pills from the E-Pharma Summit.